Hi there, welcome to the Beaten Trail, and this is our continuing series on famous Reading outdoors. This is Mount Carmel and Locust Gap. You know, you really can't see it all in one day, and we drove from Ashland North, so we can't really talk about the parking lot of Locust Gap or Mount Carmel, but we will definitely do that in the future one. So we went driving and easily found Mount Carmel and Locust Gap, and just the trails are a lot of fun. They're big wide open trails. I do want to say though that there is a lot of logs and obstacles, cut branches, so just be careful when you're riding. You don't catch one of these. I know it's an active mining site in some locations, so I'm not sure of where they're cutting or where the debris is coming from, but you'll see a lot of the trees have been cut down. There's some rocks, but this is the place for the big piles of dirt and anthracite, and so much fun. It is not like any other that we've seen, just huge piles. There is a lot of steep drop-offs. There's a lot of switchbacks, so I do want to say, make sure that you're careful, that you don't go driving off the edge of something like this, because regardless what you're driving, it's not going to be a pleasant day, but it's a lot of fun. This is not a sexy look here, but it's cold out, about 30 degrees, but having a good time. It's beautiful out here. We got everything going. We have an emergency heater just in case, and I'd have to say we're having a good time here, and we crossed over from Ashland North, and definitely going to have to revisit here because they got some good piles of anthracite and whatnot, but for the most part we flew the drone, we got some footage going. It was pretty awesome. So I'm going to undust my windshield because Rain-X doesn't work, so if you got a solution for dust, let me know. But until then, we'll see you soon, and take care. The size really of these locations is large, and a lot of people will say the drone footage takes all the fun and the mystery out of it, but I really disagree. You can just see how epic the size is of some of these hills. And I think that it'll take you many hours and days to see all there is to see here at Locust Gap and Mount Carmel, but it is so worth it. Many times I'll say, this is my favorite, that is my favorite, but overall, I just love the size and scale of this location. A lot of switchbacks, you know, a lot of good hills. There's just so much out there to see, and we're going to do our best to bring more to you in the weeks ahead. We only had a few hours here. We really want to get out and see the mine shafts and find the mining equipment, find the fires that are burning underneath from nearby Centralia that have spread here, and get all that on film for you. So we're going to work on doing that, and in the meantime, get out there and enjoy this location. Doesn't matter what you have, side-by-side, ATV, motocross, get out there and ride it. There's also full-size trails as well, but really overall, it is just a great site. So please tell us what's your favorite, and let us know what is your riding type and style, and where do you go for fun at FRO. And until then, we'll see you out there on the trail. Thanks again.